Hey friends, welcome back to Chef School channel. This is where I share my favorite recipes, tips and flavors that I've learned from over 10 years in restaurant kitchens worldwide. Do you love creamy, comforting meals that feel fancy but are actually super easy to make? Today I'm showing you a simple chicken stroganoff recipe that's packed with flavor, tender chicken and rich mushroom sauce. This recipe is perfect to serve over rice, noodles or potatoes. And it's easier than you think. Stay with me because I will show you the secrets to making the sauce perfectly creamy every time. Heat a large frying pan over medium heat with little oil. Place the chicken in the pan, smooth side down, and let it cook until golden brown, about 4 minutes. Make sure to season the chicken with salt, black pepper and garlic powder. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. The chicken should be cooked through but tender. Once cooked, remove the chicken on a plate and set aside. Don't worry, we will bring it back later to soak up all the creamy sauce. Increase the heat to medium-high and add 40 grams of butter and oil of your choice. Once melted, add the diced onions, garlic and leeks and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add the sliced mushrooms. Spread them out so they get a nice sear and cook until golden. Be sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to loosen all those flavorful bits. That's just pure umami right there. Sprinkle in about 2 tablespoons of flour and stir for about a minute to cook out the raw taste. Slowly add half of the 500 ml chicken stock, stirring constantly, then add the rest. Add 150 grams sour cream, stirring until combined. Don't worry if the sauce looks like lumpy. The sour cream will melt into a creamy, velvety sauce as it heats. Bring it to a gentle simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it thicken for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's about thick sauce consistency. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add your seared chicken back into the pan. Gently fold the chicken into the sauce, letting it soak up all those flavors. Simmer for another 10 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Stir to combine. Check the flavors and adjust to your preference. Serve this creamy chicken stroganoff recipe over ice, potatoes, noodles, or just by itself like this, and sprinkle with fresh parsley for a beautiful finish. The dish is rich, flavorful, and perfect for weeknight dinners or a special family meal. If you try this chicken stroganoff, let me know in the comments how it turned out, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for more easy and delicious recipe with me. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.